up, guys? We're here in Mazatlan, Mexico. We're here. This is our second stop on our cruise. But anyways, guys, we're here. Look how tropical it is out here. It's really humid and it's January. It's pretty cool. Feels like an endless summer out here. But guys, thanks for watching. And this is Mazatlan.
And we're about to see what the city's like. Hopefully go check out some old things. Check out the pier. Check out the beach. See what it's like.
This place is beautiful, guys. If you ever get a chance to come here, do it. It's amazing. It's so tropical. It's awesome. We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna take you along for the ride, so it's gonna be really cool. Enjoy the video and please smash that like, guys.
Smash it right here, guys. But guys, here we go. Let's do Mazatlan. Let's do
Cheers.
it. Let's go. Alright guys, we're here on the shuttle right now, Mazatlan. You can see where all the boats are right here. That's our boat right there. There's the little harbor. Check out the shuttle. What do you think, Jeremy?
I think it's pretty awesome. I'm excited.
Mazatlan, just leave, ready?
Mazatlan. Ready to fish it up.
Yep, we're gonna see what's over here, but we're taking the shuttle away from the port. Oh yeah.
Nice, guys. We're still at the shipyard, and we are walking down the main street to the right, and we're going to cut into the main city.
Yep, check it out. We made it to the border. We're right below it. We're right below the border right now. Check it out, we got some chickens. Mazatlan so far has been, the areas we've been at looks pretty poor, but anyways guys, it's still pretty cool.
Been kind of sketchy looking, but it's fun. We're having a good time. I gotta go catch up with my girlfriend.
Yeah, but so far we're gonna check out this church that Laura wants to see, and then we're gonna go to the beach hopefully, but we don't have too much time.
So this is me and Laura now. She decided that we want to go to the basilica, and I think it looks pretty cool by the pictures and stuff, so it should be fun. Look at all the cool buildings and stuff, you guys. It's pretty cool. Laura, are you excited?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we've never been to Mazatlan before. It was kind of nerve-wracking at first being in a foreign country and walking around not really seeing stuff that you're used to, but it's so cool. Regardless, if you feel nervous at first, it goes away and you have a lot of fun. Yeah, it's nice and hot, guys. It's almost 80 degrees, and we're gonna get in the beach right after this. So
Anywhere, it's like summertime.
right after this, we're gonna hit the beach. It'll be really fun. We're gonna take a taxi. Well, I'll show you guys what the taxi's like too.
All right, we're here at the church, and it's pretty cool. They have like a garden-looking area like around here. Check out the gardens over here.
Let's see what Laura thinks too. Laura, come tell them what you think.
It looks like the place in downtown LA.
Yep.
Kind of does.
Yep, they have a little gazebo right here. Pretty cool. Look at this. We're underneath this gazebo right now that's right in front of the church. And here in Mexico, it's a super religious country. Everyone's really Catholic here, so there's a lot of Catholic churches here. But this is really cool. We're in the inland part of Mazatlan, where the coast is over there towards the right. Anyways, guys, it's really cool. This gazebo right next to this Catholic church. I think it's pretty rad.
And we're looking for beer, and survey says we gotta find it.
Yep. But it's a really cool area.
Street food, authentic street food.
Let's get a close-up shot of the church.
I love this, guys. So cool.
Yep, Mazatlan is awesome.
Here it is. Church is in session.
cool. We're at La Playa, which means the beach in Spanish. Over here in Mazatlan, we're at the coast finally.
We're like the lightest mofos around, but who cares?
Yeah. Anyways, it's pretty cool. There's a beach right here. You can see the town is literally right behind us. But right now, we're trying to find a good place to get drinks. We see a place called Corona right there, and there's a Pacifico truck. That looks like a good destination. Check out the rocks over there, and then over here, you can see that's an island way out there. Bringing them cervezas.
Yep, them Pacificos.
Cervezas.
They are tasting good on the beach.
Yep, here's the beach right there. All these are all these are taxis. A lot of walking today, but that's what beers help us refuel.
Yep, much needed calories.
Much needed calories.
We're about to find some more beer right now too.
Check it out, guys. Jeremy bought us some margaritas. Check how big these suckers are. Look how big these suckers are. Nice. And you can't beat this view. Look at this. Yeah, we're gonna show you the staircase up to this place that we're at right now. We're literally on a rock, on a cliff right now.
So cool, guys. It's awesome.
How's your margarita, Jeremy?
I'm loving every second of it. This tastes so good, and the people are so happy here, so nice. I love it.
You think Mexico's dangerous at all, like since you've been to Mexico?
Okay, I can't speak for everybody, but for my experience, it's been joyful and happy and really cool. Whatever you think about Mexico, come give it a shot and see for yourself. It's really cool.
All right, we're here. We got our margaritas. We're just relaxing on this cliff restaurant. Pretty cool. Extreme close-up like that. Hey Brandon, how's your marg?
Oh, it is pretty good.
Yeah.
4 for 300 pesos.
Take a sip, bro. Nice. Look at Jeremy. She's feeling it too. Oh yeah. All right. We're about to go get some really good authentic Mexican food. We're gonna go up the boardwalk over there, but you can't beat this view.
Hey guys, the Mexican vibe is really going and kicking, and I really like it. They play music everywhere. You get nice margaritas. It's just been such a good time, and here in Mazatlan has been so beautiful. I love it.
We're gonna go get some chips and salsa, some tacos, all the kind of shit you do in Mexico.
Yeah, but we're gonna go to a place called El Shrimp Bucket, and El just means the, so the shrimp bucket. Nice.
We're having authentic ceviche. How you liking that ceviche?
Shrimp ceviche tacos.
Yep, Mazatlan, Mexico.
Let me get I dropped a piece of shrimp. Ceviche, Jeremy. Alright, perfect time.
Green here, but we're getting close to the top right now, so we're gonna go check it out. This place is pretty amazing. These crib rhinos just push each other to keep going, and we're doing so good. Yeah, we're so close. We're almost at the top. Look at this view we got, guys. Check it out. Isn't that sick, Brandon?
Yeah.
Sick.
We're like, we have to be 3/4 of the way up. My legs are burning, but we're gonna get to the top. Very nice cat.
Stray cats. A lot of them been around Mexico. There it is.
Cost 10 pesos to get on the...
10 pesos to get on the walk of doom right there. Alright guys, we made it to the top here. The lighthouse has been a beautiful view. It's been an awesome hike. And Mazatlan has been such a cool place to be. And this little plank that we're on right now, this glass plank, definitely worth the 10 pesos that we paid for.
Yep. Such a great place. We had beer, we had margaritas, we had shrimp tacos, fish tacos, ceviche, anything you could ask for.
Alright guys, that does it here in Mazatlan. Today has been so cool. We hiked through the city, we did everything. That was so fun. We ate some really good authentic Mexican food, and we also had a lot of margaritas and a lot of cervezas too. But anyways, Mazatlan is really cool. I loved it up here. This hike to the lighthouse has been amazing.
Look at where we are.
This is pretty cool. Look at this ocean view like this, and you can see all of Mazatlan right behind us. But anyways guys, today's been an epic day. You gotta come to Mazatlan if you can. Come here. It's beautiful. The people are great.
We had some great authentic food. We ate some great shrimp tacos.
Yep.
We had the carne asada.
That's right.
We loved it. It's really authentic. And if you guys really got this far in the video, please smash that like button. We know you guys love us. Leave the comments. Just show your love for us, because we're here in Mazatlan on this crazy pier thing on the top of a mountain.
Yep.
If you look at it, it's nuts. We're on top of the ocean. It's crazy. I had so much fun. I'm so glad you guys came along for the ride.
Yep.
Make sure to check out our Teespring store. We got a bunch of merchandise, and just make sure to check out Mazatlan. It's beautiful here.
And that Teespring will be in the description below, guys. It'll be in the description below, so make sure you check it out.
Yep.